They are the 10A. Please try to do. I already solved. The material has been typed in my notes. So the now live has been started. Okay. Let's go to 10B part, section 10th B. What is the section name?
Sample space graphs and tree diagrams.
Sample space graphs and tree diagrams. I didn't see this kind of notation in Indian standards. Let me see a little bit more here. So graphing the sample space. Okay. The word sample space is used to sample space na? Okay. I'm thinking about it is uh, what is that? It is set of all possible outcomes. It's called as what is set of all possible outcomes?
The sample space.
Sample space. Let's have a look into it previously. Impossibles, possibles, sample space. It is sample space. Okay. So all possible outcomes are there, and here we have to investigate a little bit next level. Okay. The sample space. Can you read up the second para? A little bit slow. Don't go fast.
The word sample space is used in probability sample set because the sample space of a multi-stage experiment takes on some of the characteristics of a space. In particular, the sample space of a two-stage experiment can be displayed on a two-dimensional graph, and the sample space of a three-stage experiment can be displayed in a three-dimensional graph.
Okay. So a two-stage experiment can be displayed in two-dimensional. A three-stage experiment can be in three-dimensional. The word sample space is used to probably rather than sample set because a sample set of multiple multi-stage experiment takes on some of the characteristics of the space. Let's have a look into the problem number 10b, example 5. A die is thrown twice. A die is thrown twice. Find the probability that a pair is double. The pair is double. At least one number is 4. C. The third part is both numbers are greater than 4. Both numbers are even. Sum of two numbers is 6. The sum is at most 4. If you see how many throws there are, 2 throws.
Two.
So it is two-dimensional. So while you throw one output, you will get out of 6 samples, and second throw you will get second again. So totally it is throw 1 and it is throw 2. So how many total possible outcomes are there? There are 36. First one is 1, then next one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first one is 2, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is 3, then 1, 2, 6, 4, 1, 2, 6, 5, 1, 2, 6, 6, 1, 2, 6. So total 36 possibilities are there. In our sample space, the elements are 36. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 3, 1, 2, 3, 6, 4, 1, 2, 4, 6, 5, 1, 2, 5, 6, 5, 1, 2, 5, 6. Let me check my sound bar is connected. Yeah, not connected. Okay, and let me have it just a little bit, 1 second, whether it is working online or not. And our classes are getting good good report. Okay, see if
Yep.
because I am getting uh, for neat biology and for mathematics, for both I'm getting a good. It's not showing output. Just let me check. Yeah, it's live. No problem. Is it live? Part 2. And for mathematics, okay, both audio is also fine. Let me close it. Thank you. I'm getting a good. Again, Narendra Modi is online. Okay. What is a pair is double? This is the first case. What is pair is double means? You throw a die 2 times. So what is a pair is double?
There's two, like 6 and 6.
6 and 6, 5 and 5, 4 and 4, 3 and 3, 2 and 2, 1 and 1. This is the case. How many marked points are there? Total 6. So your probability is
6.
6 by 36 is total 136. That's it. Okay. And similarly, what is second part? At least one number is 4. At least one number is 4 means first throw might be 4. Then anything could be happen. Second throw might be 4. The first throw could be anything could be happen. So total how many numbers are here? How many possible outcomes here?
11.
11. It's 11. So the total number is 11 by 36. This is your required probability. Next. Next one is both numbers greater than 4. Greater than 4 means either 5 or 6. So if you see the same logic, either 5 or 6, I am marking in the first one. 5 or 6 means this could be anything. Both numbers, either 5 or 6. Both numbers are greater than 4 means, and the next second throw will be this. What about total? 8 plus 8 plus 4, 12 plus 16 plus 4, total 20. Okay, therefore your required answer will be 20 by 36. Both greater than 4. Why it is 4? 4 pair consist only 5 or 6. Huh? What is the C part? Okay. Yeah. Am I right or wrong? What is C?
Both numbers are greater than 4.
I marked according to this image. Am I right or wrong?
Um,
My question is,
Wrong.
I'm right or wrong? Okay, it is wrong. So then who is right?
It'll be just the 4 in the corner.
Only 4 in this corner. These are the right because rest all are different. Why my color is working like this? Control Z. Okay, let it be right like this. Okay, it's a 4 by 36. Okay. Similarly, 9 pairs have two even numbers. What is this? Both numbers are even. When it will be even? What is the first throw? Either 2, 4, 6. Second throw, 2, 4, 6. So what are the common things? The common things are 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So you will get total 9 only. So if you get 9, it is 9 over 36. 9 over 36, which is 1 over 4. Similarly, rest you can understand. So Graphing the sample space as two-stage experiment. It's a horizontal axis representing the first stage means it's a two stages. Throwing a coin two times or throwing a dice two times. So the two times. The first event is there, half of the event, the next one. Okay. So next, can you read up this example 6?
A die is thrown twice. Find the probability of failing to throw a double six.
What is the probability of failing to get double six?
35 over 36.
Failing double six means what? 6 and 6 we should not get it. Okay. Okay, which is 1 minus getting 6 and 6. It is also be considered as failing means not to get that number, means 1 minus to get that number. So 1 minus of double six is nothing but, so it is 1, and getting double six is nothing but only 1, 6 and 6, which is 1 by 36. Your answer will be 35 by 36. Find the probability of sum is not an even. Sum is not an even means, see, these are the negative kind of probabilities, not negative. Okay, so here sum is not an even means sum is even. When two numbers sum will be even, what is the condition of two numbers to get their sum is even number? Think, what is the number to get sum as even?
3 over
Sum
6.
is not even, sum is even, sum is not even means when a sum will be even.
Oh, sum is not 7?
Sum is, oh, sorry, sum is not 7. Okay, it is not 7. So what about sum is 7? How many cases are there for sum is 7? 1, 6, 2, 5, 3, 4, 4,
6.
3, 3, 5, 2, 6, 1. How many total points? 6 out of 36.
6.
It will be 1 over 6, which is sum to get 7, but we should not get a 7 means 1 minus 1 upon 6, which is 5 by 6 is your required answer. Okay, next, tree diagram. It is important. It is important. There is a rank of word is also there here. I teach that to IIT students of my previous school. So read up this point. Listening, I will read.
Uh,
Listening the sample space
listing
of
this.
listen. Okay, okay, sorry. Listing the sample space of multi-stage experiment can be difficult because we have to mark all possible dots, diagram, and previously paragraph are hard to draw is more than two dimension. So can you draw the three dimension? It's not possible. Three dimension is not possible because that is a 3D. So trees diagrams provide a very useful alternative way to display the sample space. Such diagram have two column for each stage. Okay, there are two columns, three columns, four columns, plus the initial column labeled as start. So and final column listing as possible outcomes. See, so we are making a tree. First one is a start. Then we will go to the next and next and next. So can you read the first question first of all? What is the question?
A three-letter word is chosen in the following way. The first and last letters are chosen from the three vowels A, O, and U, with repetition not allowed, and the middle letter is chosen from L, M. List the sample space and then find the probability that
A or O. So first of all, in order to get see sample space, actually we are trying to segregate what is samples, how to it will be calculated. Okay, we are making some design, some pro forma to uh, get the total outcomes. So here a three-letter word chosen in the following way. First and last letters are chosen from three letters A, O, U with a repetition not allowed. With there is no repetition. Okay, there is no repetition, and we should get the first letter cases are. So this is the first letter cases. What are the first letter cases? Either it should start with A, O, or U. Okay, and it is a three-letter word. And first letter is completed. Next again third letter is also similar but without repetition because one A is already reached, so therefore OU. A is already reached OU, and here O is already reached AU and all. But before going to the third step, and middle letter must be chosen from L and M. So if first one is A or O or U, this is stage 1. Is it clear? And the next second stage, it could be L or M. So for A, L or M, for O, L or M, for U, L or M. So they are the total second letter chances. And the third letter is, it should be end with A, O, U, but already A has reached, so therefore for L we have OU, for M we have OU, for O starting word we have AU, for U starting word we have AO. So totally in this is called a tree. Have you ever seen tree? How it look like?
The branches.
See the branches. So this is also branches. If you watch the problem like this, so it is a head, three branches. Then for each branch, two more branches. For each branch again in the next level, two more branches. So that's why we call this as a tree. Okay. And here we can write the total outcomes. ALO, ALU, AMO, AMU, OLA, OLU, OMA, OMU, ULA, ULO, UMA, UMO. So the word, list sample space, find the probability of that word ALO. Is there any ALO chances here? How many total?
One.
It is one. It is one. ALO is only one. How many total? The total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the 12. So your probability for ALO is 1 over 12. 1 over 12. What is the second part?
Uh, no O.
No O. How many are no O? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 out of 12. 4 by 12. Next, what is C? M and U do not both occur. Do not both occur. M and U should not come. So, see, do not both occur means 1 minus both occur. How many mu occurring terms? 1 minus mu occurring terms. 1 minus mu are occurring. What are 1 minus mu are occurring? Mu, how many letters having mu? This is a 1.
Three.
2 only. We
Or
need
two, yeah.
mu. Okay, so we might have, no, it is 2 only. Okay, it is 2. It is 2. Not both m and u. Okay, not u and m do not both occur. Means they can occur single, they can occur single also, but in the way you will get lot of numbers. So there are 8 possibles. Okay, 8 possibles having either m or u, not both. Either m or u, not both, and not even uh, means rest all possible. See, there is u, this is occurring. There is m, this is we need. We don't need this. There is u, there is m, we don't need this. There is u, m, m. How many are there? So total 8 possible outcomes. Either it may contain either M or U. M or U. So that is the case. It is 8 over 12, simplification, so on so. So similarly, you can understand the rest. So the meaning of word. Okay. So the first column headed with start, last column headed with output. So he is just explaining the tree diagram. Invalid argument. Read this point, first point.
The following example illustrates another invalid argument in probability. As always, the solution first offers an explanation of the fallacy before then offering an alternative argument with a different conclusion.
Okay. So we try to understand. Can you read this question itself?
Comment on the validity of this argument. When two coins are tossed together, there are three outcomes:
Wait.
two heads, two tails.
When two coins tossed together, is it possible to get three outcomes? Yes,
Yeah.
there are three outcomes. He said that. Okay. Two heads, two tails, and one each. I think it's a typo mistake. Two outcomes. Two tails and one of each. Two heads, tails, one of each. There are two heads are there. There are two tails are there. So one of each. Hence, probability of getting one of each is 1 by 3. Identifying the fallacy. Okay. So, oh, he made it is right only. So the given of the division of the result into three given outcomes is correct. But reason is offered why these outcomes are equally likely. Applying the correct argument on the right of a tree. What is three outcomes? Okay, that he is saying that three outcomes. It is not three results. Okay, it is outcome. See, one is see. First time he tossed the coin, he got the first either head or tail. Then for each there is a head or tail, head or tail. So we will get the total possible outcomes are head, 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 tail, tail, head, tail, tail. And out of these, two heads, two tails, and one of each. One of each. Okay. Two heads, two tail, and one of each. On the right hand side, the tree diagram has the sample space. It provides the results of experiment for four equally likely possible outcomes. Two of head, tail are favorable of the event. What is the favorable? The total outcomes are two heads and two tails involving two heads and two tails. There are four outcomes are there. But we need one of each. One of each means one head, one tail. We need these kind of outcomes. So what are these outcomes? Either head tail or tail head. So there are two favorable outcomes, but total will be four. The answer will be 1 by 2. Okay. So next we can go for the exercise 10b. Can you read out the question?
A fair coin is tossed twice. Use a tree diagram to list the four possible outcomes.
Use a tree diagram, list the four possible outcomes. A fair coin is tossed twice means there is same diagram. This is, we got the same diagram. We get this required diagram only. And next, hence find the probability of the two toss results, two heads. How many heads are possible to with having two heads? How many outputs having two heads? How many outputs having two heads?
One.
One. It is 1 over 4. One head and one tail.
1/2.
2 over 4 means 1 over 2. A head on the first toss and tail on the second toss. You
One
have
over 4.
1 over 4. 1 over 4, right? Thank you. Next, read the second question.
A coin is tossed and a die is thrown. Use a tree diagram to list all 12 possible outcomes.
A coin is tossed, a die has been thrown. Okay, so there are 12 possibilities. if you draw the tree diagram, use the tree diagram, what happens? A coin is tossed. How many possibilities? It is start. Okay. So coin is tossed. It is saying what?
Heads.
Heads and tails. Next, a die has been thrown. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total, how many outcomes? H1, H2, dot dot dot, H6, T1, T2, dot dot dot, T6. How many total? This is your sample space, and that is your tree diagram. Okay, so total are 12. Total are 12. Hence, find the probability of following. What is the first one? Give the answers. Give me the answers. 2. You are here. You are connected only.
3.
3. One head
So 1/4.
and even. 3. 3 by 12 then. 1/4. What about second one?
1/6.
1/6. Tail and a number greater than 4. Huh? 1/6. Tail and greater than 4.
Yeah.
Tail and greater than 4 means, yeah, it's 2/12. 1/6, right? Thank you. What about next third one?
4/12. So
So
1/3.
tail and number less than
Oh,
3. It's
3/12.
3/12. 3/12. 1/4. 3/12. 1/4. A head and a prime number. A head and
1/3.
1/.
3.
What are the outputs? Outcomes?
Head 1, head 2,
Mm-hmm.
head 3, and head 5.
Is this one is prime number?
Yeah.
No, one is not prime number. So it is 3/12 only. One is not a prime number. Prime number starts with a 2, 3, 5, dot dot dot. And the least prime number is 2. There is no highest prime number because primes are infinite. And I'm using most important lines. Primes are infinite. It is a very great proof of mathematicians. Okay. Primes are infinite. Do you know prime numbers? What are the prime numbers?
Numbers that can only be divided by 1 in themselves.
So please give me the prime numbers.
2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17.
Am I right? 2, 3,
Yeah.
5, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 49, 50, 59, something. Do you know these are the numbers, na, prime numbers? They have most important role because these are the only numbers. The rest all copies. 4, which is not a prime number, is called
Okay.
composite. The number which is not a prime number is called composite. Repeat with me. The number. Repeat with me. The number
The number,
which is not a prime number
which is not a prime number,
is called composite number.
is called a composite number.
See, do you know what is the difference between 2, 3?
1,
1. What is the difference between 3, 5?
2,
What is the difference between 5, 7?
3,
5, 7, 2. It is 2.
oh, 2, sorry,
Then 7, 11, 4.
4.
And here again we got 2 difference. Here we got 2 different. And here we got 2 difference. Okay. So the prime numbers having difference 2, they are called twins. Twins prime numbers. Okay. And so normally, in order to find the prime numbers behavior, the mathematicians worked a lot. Okay. And one of the person shown that primes are infinite. So in general infinite. But these kind of primes are special prime numbers. They are the twin prime numbers because their difference is 2. Do you know the magic is? They are also infinite prime numbers. Okay, they are also infinite, uncountable. There is no finite value. That is the case. Okay, this is for the example point of view. Two tiles are chosen at random and offer after the other the three Scrabble tiles T, O, and E and placed in order on the table. List the 6 possible outcomes of the space. What are the sample space? Please explain me this problem. What is a sample space? For this problem,
Wait for 2.
what is a 6 possible outcomes? What are the total outcomes? List the 6 possible outcomes. There are 6 possible outcomes only. Two tiles are chosen randomly, one after the other, from 3 Scrabble tiles and so. So I want to draw the tree table. The first tree table here, this is start. In the case of start, so you can get any number now. You
Yeah.
can get any letter. You can get any letter. So either T or O or E. T, either O or E, and one after the other. Okay. So from these three scables tiles, you will have. So for T, what are the next letters? Stage one. It is start. Okay. It is start. And next for stage one. So what are the numbers possible letters possible with the T?
O and E.
O and E. And here T and E. Here O and T. So total T O T E O T O E E O E T. Total 6 possible outcomes. So that's it. Find the probability having two vowels. What are the vowels in English?
A, E, I, O, U.
So in out of 6, which one having the vowels? How many do not have the vowels? How many do not have the vowel? And he is asking two vowels, and we have E O. That is the pair should come, and T. It's the first case stage is fail. E O O E. So only two are favorable out of 6. 2 by 6, which is 1 by 3. Okay. The constant, the consonant, then vowel. The first one is consonant T, and next one is vowel or E. T O T. Only two are favorable. 2 by 6. Again 1 by 3. A T. I don't know. This is third question is half of the question. It has been not clear. So now please explain the fourth one.
From a group of 4 students, Anna, Bill, Charlie, and David, Two are chosen at random and one after the other to be on the Student Representative Council. List the 12 possible outcomes in the sample space.
Wait, give me the outcome.
Uh,
Write down the
A,
solution yourself.
B, C.
Wait. Write down the solution yourself and forward me the solution on WhatsApp.
Okay.
For the first one, A. Why my marker is with pointing dull? My marker is not working. 4 students, two chosen randomly, one after the other. I want the tree diagram.
Yep.
May I ask one question?
Yep.
You have school timings and you are attending these classes after coming back from school, no?
Yep.
So will you get a time in morning?
Before school?
Uh-huh. I think previously you attended like that only.
Yeah, I used to, but it was like at 2 a.m. for you.
Okay, if it is 2 a.m. But is it comfortable? I will talk to mom first of all, okay? I'm just normally asking. If it is 2, it is not a problem for me. I will sleep early timings. I will go to bed on early. But if it is in the morning hours, then I'm comfortable. Actually, previously I used it to stay at my hometown, which is uncomfortable,
Yeah.
which is not a comfortable zone for me to living. Okay, okay, you got the right. Oh, A, B, C, D. Very good. Anna, Bill, Charlie, David. Okay, right. Got it. Your answer is absolutely right. Okay. Because I have some classes in the early mornings. One 4:30 is there, one 5:30 is there, and after that I have to go for that coaching institute. So that's why I'm trying to request. Let's. Okay. I'll talk to Ma. Okay. Hence, find the probability of that BD. Is there any BD chances having with Bill and David?
2,
2. So what is the probability?
2 over 12, so 1 over 6.
2 over 12, 1 over 6, right? What about second one?
Anna is chosen.
How many
So
ways Anna
2,
has been there?
4, 5, 6. 6 over 12.
6 over 12. So 50-50. Okay. So next, Charlie chosen, but
Charlie,
Bill not. Charlie chosen, but Bill not.
4 over 12.
Charlie chosen, but Bill not. A, C, B, C. No, Bill not. AC. Charlie chosen means AC in the first tree fails, right? AC. Charlie chosen, it will fail. Charlie chosen, 1, 2, 3 will come. And Charlie chosen, 5 or 12. Right, thank you. It's the 5 or 12. Fourth one,
Neither Anna nor David is selected.
A, D is not possible, means BC case. So therefore either
2.
BC or CB. Either BC or CB. Or CB. In rest all cases,
So I know 6.
either ANA or David will form. Only 2 over 12. 2 over 12. Bill is chosen first.
3
3 over
over
12.
12.
Hmm. Charles is not chosen second.
9 over 12.
9 over 12. Right? Thank you. Good. So with that you can understand it is easily with this tree diagram. Okay.
Yeah.
Next, fifth you have to take, which is DIY. It is DIY only. Sixth is also DIY. You have to do DIY because they are the basic problem, fundamental problems. What about 7?
A coin is tossed 3 times. Draw a tree diagram to illustrate the possible outcomes, then find the probability of obtaining.
Draw the tree diagram and forward it to me.
Okay.
How is my class? How I am teaching there?
Yeah, good.
Actually, there was no students and no any other stuff, so that's why a little bit um dilemma was there while teaching. Okay, but I'll prepare today, and tomorrow I'll try to give my final session. My that institution
Okay.
name is Career Endeavor. Okay,
Yeah.
and that competitive exam is CSIR Net, which is Council for Scientific and Industrial Research of Indian Government body, and under that they will conduct an entrance after MSc, after masters. It's a very tough. I cleared in 2011. Now after 14 years
Oh,
I'm doing it again. After 14 years I'm doing it again. Okay,
okay.
I will do it. I will do it again. I'll tag it again. I will teach it again. Okay, so next, I need the tree of the tree of the situation or
Yeah,
event.
I'm sending it.
Okay, I restricted my output today. Oh, for you it is restricted, but online it will be entire screen. For online also I have to stop. Very good. One, two, three. But you have to keep marking also. Stage one, two, three, and start. Okay. There are four
Okay.
words are there. You just have a look into it. Please. There is a start word is there. Okay, and then first coin, second coin. So here also you have to say there is a start, first coin, second coin, third coin, then total outcomes. You have to write in the fourth column also. Okay, so total first
Okay.
column is start and second column is for sample space. Okay, no problem, that's fine. That's fine. Three heads, how many total? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. How many three heads possibilities?
1 out of 8.
1 out of 8, it's 1 over 8. Two heads and one tail.
1 out of.
No, 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 no. Two heads and one tail. There is no order fix.
Wait.
One H, 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 T, H, H, T, H, T, H, T, H, H. Need two heads. 3 over 8. Check it first. 3 over 8.
3. Yeah.
Okay. So at least two tails. What does mean by at least two tails?
2 or more.
What is mean by at least two tails? Ah, two or more. Right. Thank you. Two or more. Right. What is the answer? Two tails or three tails? Wow, I'm too very easy. Two tails or three tails?
Two, 3 out of 8.
3 out of 8, right? At most one head means what?
No more than one head.
No more than one head means one only one head. So how many are there with only one head?
Is it the same as before?
Hmm? Only one head
Isn't it
means.
the same as at least two tails?
Please comment again. What is your comment? D.
Is D and C basically not the same? At least two tails.
Mm, okay. Two, at least two tails, na? Because three tails are also added in C.
But if it says at most
Wait,
one
wait,
head,
wait,
then
wait, wait.
0 heads also
At least
counts?
is it same as is it allow? You this is your favorite in C. Is it favorite in D?
Yeah.
No.
It
Okay.
says at most one head.
Okay. At most means either 0 or 1.
Yeah.
Okay. Either 0 means yeah, it is favorable. Okay. So what is the answer of 7C? I'm not writing this question. 7C means at least two tails means two or three. At most one. Both are same. Both are same. Both are same. C and D are same. Very good. Next, more heads than tails.
With two or more heads.
More heads than tails means two heads and one tail. Two heads, one tail.
3 out of 8.
No, no. Two heads and what is the answer?
3/8.
Two heads and one tail. But what about H? H, H. Will you add this or no?
Yeah.
So then it will be 4 over H, 4 over 8.
Is it not 3?
It is not 3.
Because I added that.
You add it. Write down this. I'm giving four outcomes. Head, tail,
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
head,
4,
tail,
sorry.
head, tail, head, tail, head. Okay, so
Yeah.
it's a 4 over 8, and a head and a head in second toss. A head in second toss. A head in second.
4, 1/2.
1/2. 1/2. 1/2. 4/8. Do you know you are smart because you are giving answers? This is a positive comment. You are smart, okay, but I don't know where it is. Of course, you might have school busy, burden life and all, burden. But I am not getting a high energetic tone from you. You are you are stable. You are saturated. Your voice level is saturated. Okay, so this is it's a positive comment. It's a positive comment. Don't take it negative. But
Yeah.
you should have the next level energy because I have it. Okay, because I have energy is different. See, this is creativity of the life. No? See, there is one famous Indian criminal lawyer was there. He passed away in 5 to 6 years back, I think. His name is Ram Jetmalani. Okay, he is
Okay.
in Indian famous criminal lawyer. He is the topmost because the Supreme Court judges are his juniors, being he the Supreme Court practicing lawyer. But the judges anywhere, all judges and all, because his age is at 92, At the age of 92, he given one interview in some uh, in some TV channel. Aapki Adalat, Rajat Sharma was there. So his
Yeah.
activeness at the age of 92, he's playing bowling. He's doing a spin bowling with his hands. Okay, because there is, see, in the judiciary system, what happens? It is a system. If the previous judges given any argument, any comment, any judgment in some particular case, if the similar case, then this judge also should give the same judgment.
Yeah.
This is a problem with the judgment. Okay, if previously the same situation, same case has been crossed and trial in the court, in any court, if the judgment has come, the judgment has been agreed, the judgment has been implemented, then after 20 years or after 40 years or after 50 years, okay, judgment will not change na? So
Yeah.
even after 60 years, judgment is judgment. Same situation, same case, same age and everything. So you should give the same judgment because the result is fixed. Okay, result
Okay.
because judge cannot make his own discretionary activities in all cases. If the situation is same, the judgment copy should be copy and paste. That's it. Okay, so he will show these kind of activities in the court proceedings because he has 92 years, means around it might be at the age of 20 or 25 he become a lawyer, and he started practicing in in Supreme Court around 60 to 70 years. It's a full scale life. The age of 92, he is just fighting, he is just doing activity, and one trial or one hearing, he will charge 2 to 3 crores. So such
Oh.
a it's a very famous criminal, Ram Jetmalani his name, and I learned a lot of things from him because he's very active at the age of 92, and you are very young, you are very young, so your the tone of voice should be eco-moted, eco-moted. Okay, okay,
Okay.
okay. So now it's the fifth one. So you can try this eighth one. Okay, of course there are 10 sub problems are there, you can try,
Yep.
and also try to do this 8 and 9. You can do it yourself. Okay, and you have to do. Let's try this 13th one only. Okay, so a coin is tossed n times where n greater than 1. Find the probability of getting n heads.
1/2.
No, no. A coin tossed n times, head, tail. One time you will get two outputs. Second time you will get two more outputs. It's a 4. Third time you will get 2 to the 4 to the 8, 2 power 3. Nth time the total possible sample space elements are 2 power n, and only one outcome is all heads. It is 1 over 2 power n. Okay, 1 over 2 power n. What about this B? At least one head and at least one tail.
Wait, but for A, why is it 2 power 3?
Where? Because it is 2 power 2. It is 2 power 1. It is way. See, for why it is 2 power 3? Can you see your coin, your outcome, output? Can you see your output?
Yeah.
3 times you toss the coin, how many outcomes are there?
Oh, 8. Okay, okay,
If you
okay.
go to
Makes
4,
sense.
each outcome have two more, two more, two more. It will be two power.
Yeah.
Okay, and all heads, n heads means only n times you tossed. N heads means the top branch, head. Okay, so
Yeah.
that is the possibility for A, and at least one head and at least one tail. So one tail and one head is fixed, we need this. And there are n minus 2, could be anything. Okay, so you have to think it.
Yeah.
How can we think this is at least one head, at least one head and one tail? uh, at least one head and one tail. What is mean by at least one head and one tail?
That it there's one head, one tail. Anything else doesn't matter.
Think. It has some creative idea. At least one head and one tail. I know the answer.
Wait.
It has. You need some creative idea. Do you know, in Uttar Pradesh of India, there is a town which is Prayagraj. Okay, so there is Tribeni Sangam there, three rivers. Actually, this Yamuna and Ganges only. So Saraswati is different river. It will be in Maya river, just like the Binomial is there. So there one research center is there. Harishchandra Research Institute of Mathematics and Sciences. In that institute, what happens na? The writing board will be everywhere. In the mess, in the canteen, in the classrooms, of course by default. Besides the classroom, just outside the classrooms. Okay, everywhere they fix the boards and all. Okay, so now you said that wait, then I got a thought. I got in my mind that okay, wait. Okay, give me the answer.
Wait, so it can be anything except for like head,
Yes,
or tail.
yes, that's it. Only two outcomes should not come. Means total outcomes are 2 power n
Okay,
minus 2
-2.
by
Yeah.
2 power n. Because total 2 power n favorable all but 2. It's 1 minus
Yeah.
2,
Okay.
1 minus 2 power n. Again, it is also same. You can say it is 1 minus 2 power n means except those two means 1 minus those two. Okay. The answer is 2 power n minus 2 by 2 power n or 1 minus 2 by 2 power n. Okay. So we completed this part 10b, and I would like to stop here, and we'll continue in the next after 10 minutes because I should restart my computer because the marker is getting black, light color. Okay. So after the class, I think we have to touch either biology or chemistry. I will see that. Okay.